Hey, how you guys doing? This is Jeff from Captain's House of Fire and fireplacesareus.net. Give you a quick peek here. This is the Empire Boulevard vent-free DVLL48SP see-through gas fireplace. This is an indoor. This has an indoor to outdoor kit on it. So you have this side on the inside, and this side with the stainless on the outside of the house. There's removal on the outside here so you can clean off the glass and everything. LED lighting in the bottom. Optional log sets are available for this. I'm going to try to give you a pretty quick look here. Stacked stone lining on the inside. You see we have a nice flame on this guy, even though it's here at the HPVA show. It's not really vented like as good as it would be in your normal home, but still a nice yellow flame, pretty decent size to it. And this is the Empire White Mountain Hearth, American Hearth Boulevard 48 see-through, the indoor to outdoor kit. If you need one of these, you can give us a call or check out our website, Fireplaces. That's the letter R, US.net, fireplacesareus.net, 1-855-485-4015. Thank you.